Ever accidentally deleted important photos or files and thought they were gone forever? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you a quick and free method to recover your deleted files, even if they're removed from the recycle bin. Let's get started. First, let me show you the process by deleting some demo files. I'll even empty them from the recycle bin to ensure they're permanently deleted. Now, they're completely gone. Or are they? Let's recover them. To recover your files, open your browser and type CCLEANERRECUVA. Click on the first link you see. Scroll down the page and hit the free download button. On the next page, click download again and save the setup file to your system. Once the download is complete, locate the setup file and click on it. Follow the on-screen instructions and click install. The installation will only take a moment. Once installed, click on Run Recuva to get started. Recuva will launch and guide you through the recovery process. Click Next and choose a specific location where you want to recover your files. This ensures that the recovered files don't overwrite any existing data. Once you've set the location, click Start. Recuva will now scan your system for deleted files. Once the scan is complete, it will display a list of files you can recover. Select the file you want, click on Recover, and choose the folder where you'd like to save the file. That's it. You've successfully recovered your files. And there you have it. You can now recover deleted photos and files easily and for free using Recuva. Subscribe now for more tech solutions.